So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the language on the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, go to the bottom right and press on the Me icon. Once you're on the Me screen, go to the bottom and press on Settings. Once you're here, go to where it says General in between Passwords and Notifications. Press on General. Then once you're here, where it says Language right below font size, press on Language. Now once you're here, you can follow the system. You can go English, you can go French, just like that. So if we were to go back like this, the language will be in French. You can go English, follow the system, whatever the case may be. It is completely up to you. So very straightforward, very simple, but that is how to edit the language in Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.